Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get Zoho Books API key. So we're going to start here. Just head over to api-console.zoho.com, and from here you're going to need to log in to your Zoho account. But if you don't have one, you're going to need to create an account. Then from here, we're just going to click on Get Started and proceed by choosing a client type. We're just going to choose self client, then click on create. Just click on OK. You might be prompted to verify your identity. We're just going to verify via passkey. And right off the bat, we're redirected to client secret page where you can view your client ID and client secret. So from here, you can also switch to generate code. Just enter in the scope, time duration, and scope description. And from there, just click on create button. And this is how scope usually looks like. Also enter in time duration on how long this scope or code will last. We're just going to change it to 5 minutes and add in the scope description, then just click on create. So from here, you have an option to copy or download this generated code. These codes are essential for exchange for an access token. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!